Which McLaren are you choosing for surviving this brutal police car crash? Mclaren P1. Looks like the driver barely survived. Mclaren P1 GTR. Remove that useless spoiler next time. Mclaren 720s. Doesn't Post Malone own one of these? Mclaren Speedtail. Hey, sir, why is your tail so long? Mclaren F1. Looks like you're not surviving that. Mclaren Senna. Smash me like that next time, please. Mclaren 765 LT. That looked like something out of The Matrix. Mclaren 620R. Girl, put your hood down. That's inappropriate.